In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a discount line item in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're offering a seasonal discount or a special promotion for loyal customers, being able to apply a discount effectively through QuickBooks can really streamline your sales process. Let's walk through this process together, step by step. First things first, you'll need to log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, turn your attention to the left-hand menu on your screen. From here, click on Sales and then select Products and Services. This is the heart of your item management in QuickBooks, where you can create new entries or modify existing ones. Look for the New button situated in the upper right corner of your screen. Click on this and you'll be prompted to choose a type of item you want to create. For our purposes today, we want to go with Service as the type. Now it's time to give this new item a name. Something straightforward like discount or customer discount will work just fine. This is how you'll identify it in future transactions. Next, you'll need to select the appropriate income account from the drop-down menu. This choice will determine how these transactions are categorized in your accounting records, which can be crucial for accurate financial reporting. If you're not sure where to log your discounts, you might choose Discounts and Credits, or if necessary, you can create a new account specifically for this purpose. It's important to leave the sales price or rate field blank in this setup. This is because you'll manually input the discount amount each time you use this item on an invoice, allowing flexibility for each scenario. Once all these details are correctly filled out, make sure to hit Save and Close. This ensures that your discount service is now ready to use in your sales transactions. Now that you've got your discount product set up, it's time to see it in action. When you're creating an invoice or a sales receipt, proceed as you usually would by adding your regular products and services. When you're ready to include a discount, click on Add Lines. From there, you'll select the discount service you just created. The key to applying this discount is to enter the discount amount as a negative number. So, for example, if you want to provide a $50 discount, you would input 50. This helps QuickBooks correctly calculate the discount as a deduction from the total amount. After the discount line is added, just complete the rest of your invoice as you usually would and send it off. And there you have it. Adding a discount line item in QuickBooks Online is that straightforward. By organizing discounts this way, you ensure consistent and accurate sales records, which can be a tremendous boost for your business's financial management. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting!